lags a lot. Still a little bit. I'm getting 60 frames a second. That's what I want. Okay, let's see here. Online. One viewer. How we doing? Somebody's got me. Spence? I don't see who's here. Why does it not show me the chat? The chat. Oh, it looks a little better. Moving a little smoother. The chat. Oh, it looks a little better. Moving a little smoother. The chat. Oh, it looks a little better. Moving a little smoother. The chat. Oh, it looks a little better. Moving a little smoother. Oh, sorry, it's looping. I need to turn this off. What do we got? It looks a lot better on here right now. At least what I can see on YouTube. Got 3 watching, no chats. See ya. Are we moving all right? Jadarn. Not getting anything. Hey, Amit. Let's see. Yay, that's better. Cool. Let's get TradingView back up here. I have way too many things going on now. I'm good. How are you, Amit? A little frustrated I couldn't get my OBS going, but I think I got it figured out now. Wish my video came through a little bit more clear. I'll have to switch over to my EOS. Why couldn't we fall farther on the NASDAQ today, you guys? Why? I would have loved to see that. Amazon, cool. Let's start there. I can't find my restream chat. Oh wait, here it is. Got it. Amazon kind of looks like Tesla, but I didn't look at Tesla very much today. No, that held up. Oh, I'd have to go up with my camera. Hold on. My fancy box here. Going for a ride, everyone. Hold on. I'm going to pick up a cable for my other camera today. Is that better? James Daniel. Sorry about the earthquake. All right, Amazon. Sorry, moving you guys again. Kind of in the way of my Amazon chart. Ugly, of course, DT. It's furry as, you know, the furry things. CRM, Uber, HT. Got it. Amazon was first. Oh, the top of the chart. Yeah, no, that's good. Hold on. It's just my tools. You don't need to see all that. Is that good? Is that better? Okay, back to Amazon. That was a good move on Amazon. Testing the top end of this triangle. Back up above, let me clean this up here. We're back above the 4-hour 70 EMA. So watch for a pivot and for us to create some support here along this EMA. Probably see something like this. Breakout, test the 3265, come down to retest, and then take off. There's a lot of charts that are hanging right here right now. Adobe is one of them. Look at, followed this perfect. AMD led this pattern in this cycle. See this green line right here? I showed this to Trading the Trend when I first got in the server beginning of November. So this is what I'm looking to happen. Bounce up 61.8, come back down. See how this could play out? Oop. A nice bounce there would be great, right? It could move its way down, take a little while, bounce here. But my stop would be in the 3117 area. How's that, Waleed? You like that one? Any questions on Amazon? We can go smaller time frame, see how it did today. It kind of gave up at the end of the day, but I'd expect it to bounce. I don't think it was. It was a good, strong bounce to get back above this 3117. I'd like to see a better 4-hour pivot, so some more support here. So you'll probably see some chopping in this area. If you want to go old school, we can just do some horizontal raise and go support here. Hold on. Support here, resistance up here. And I bet this all lines up with our fibs too. With a resistance in here. So I'm thinking we're going to have to get and base above here, but it's going to bounce around for a little while. So see those that I drew? How they line up? I think there's still a really big breakout for Amazon to come. It's still consolidating quite a bit. RSI is looking like it would like some sort of relief before another rally. So I'd look for it to RSI to base out as well. Build some support around this 32.89 and 31.39 range. Here wouldn't be a bad spot to start along. Then possibly scale out a little bit and then come back for another one if you want to scalp this to get your entries. Because it'll pop, retest. Here's going to be your entry for the big rip. Seeing something like this. Okay, entries here. It didn't give up as much today as SPY, I don't think. Yeah, no. Amazon and SPY look way different today, in my humble opinion. See this? SPY opened up there. Amazon ran up there. And then held up. See, it gapped up here and then just sold off all day. All day. This is what I wanted NASDAQ to do. But we got the rotation because Dow went down, SPY went down, Qs stayed up. So we could see, I'd be watching, how'd FANG do today? Because we could see FANG, oh, I thought that was 4-hour pivot. Even better. This is what I'd like to see on Amazon here, would be the 4-hour pivot. That's good to know. Remember when BA was 30% market cap right before COVID of the SPY? That was fun. FANG looks good. This could be a bear trap. With this drop here, lots of people could be thinking bear flag. And they could be right. I mean, if we measure this, we're at a very scary point. Because if this isn't right, we're back below the 61.8. But I don't think so. We're still on trend. Been a while since I've taken a look at the FANG. Retest there, moved out. Unless we're looking at this, which very likely could be something like that. Which is what Apple and Facebook look like. See? But they're still below the 61.8. Earn my sub. Woohoo! I need a horn. What's got me nervous about the FANG stocks is this fib right here. We haven't been able to get up over this level in months. Since September, August, September, we hit that. We haven't been able to come back and get the new highs. The fact we're just ranging here has me a little nervous, but the fact we're holding above this EMA is great. So we could be seeing the breakout anytime soon. Mr. Trend and I were talking about Apple today behind the scenes a little bit, saying it looks ready to go, even more so than the other one you talked about, Netflix. Netflix looks like Home Depot, and I'll get to CRM. I see you there, Ace. It's coming. Sorry, let me make sure I'm not. Did I miss something? Netflix looks good, dude. Watch it's gap filled, so watch the 527 area for that gap. But if we get above this, I can close. Netflix will take off just like Spotify did. This looks just like Spot. Not lava. How did I do that? I see that big boom, boom, boom. Came up. Yeah, this is good. We want to see this on Netflix. And then we're taking the entry on the 1.618, or the entry down here for the exit up there. So I need yeah, it really could. And I think that was a lot of the news today. As people started shutting back down. And then some stimulus news. But I think Netflix to rip from here. Home Depot had a rough day. This setup still looks good to me, though. We're still in this big bull flag. Same Spotify setup. It's going to move slow until we hit above this 267. It's probably going to be 270 range, and then we'll really take off. That's where it starts going crazy, is that 270 range. So keep an eye on it. We've got those calls. They still got a lot of time on them. They were down a bit today. Today would have been a good day to average down on them. But we'll have to keep watching. What EMA is that? That's the 70 EMA. I use it on all time frames. And it works really, the reason I use it is because it works really well with these clouds that we've been looking at, or that somebody was asking about today. These are custom coded indicator that usually shows quite a bit of bounce, and you can see how it works. I mean, come down, hit the bottom cloud, you're either going to hit the EMA and this midline here, retest the cloud, usually upper cloud. Boom. So that's what we've done here. Didn't quite make it out, so now we retest it again. Home Depot, I expect to break out of this, no problem.